Thank you for viewing this CEA product video on the Matrix 220 AC/DC single phase inverter. The CEA Matrix is the industry leading TIG AC/DC inverter available on the market today. This Italian machine is made of components of the highest quality and offers the very latest technologically advanced features. I'd now like to show you how user-friendly the Matrix is to operate, from a simple switch and weld to full adjustment of the welding parameters. Let's focus on the top left of the panel. Here is where we can change the welding processes. Once the machine is turned on, it will default automatically to AC TIG. To change the welding process, simply press this button. First we have AC, HF, press it again to HF DC, then we have lift DC, and finally manual metal arc function. We will now have a look at the weld mode selection key in the bottom left hand side of the panel. The first is 2-stroke. Simply press and hold the TIG torch button to initiate the arc. Release the button and the arc will stop. Next is 4-stroke. Simply press and release the button to initiate the arc, and press and release the button again and the arc will stop. Next is the cycle function. This allows you, when welding, to switch between two preset weld currents. Next is spot welding. Simply press the TIG torch button and spot weld for a preset period of time. Now we'll have a look at the weld cycle. By pressing this button, first we have pre-gas. We can adjust the time that the gas will initiate before the arc is introduced. Next up, we have the slope time. This is the time it takes from initiating the button to getting to the top current. Next we have our weld current, which can be adjusted up and down. We now have our slope down time, the time it takes from pressing the button to release the arc to the end current. Next is the post flow of gas button. This can be adjusted for the amount of time, once the weld is finished, that the gas will stay on for. On this part of the control panel, we can change between square wave, mixed wave and sinusoidal wave. This button is the electrode diameter key. This button allows you to input your tungsten diameter when in AC. It is used in order to achieve a better control of the ignition and AC arc. On this part of the control panel, we have the memory and program key. The memory key is used to save the parameters of any welding program, and the program key will call up any saved programs. To initiate a saved program, simply press and hold the program key, and you can select between 1 to 7. Simply hold the memory key and it's stored. And finally, this button allows you to flick between amps and volts. Welcome to the Wilkinson Welding Training Academy. I'm now going to give you a demonstration of the Matrix 2200 AC/DC welding 6mm aluminium. I'm now going to give you a demonstration in DC mode and 2mm stainless steel. Thanks for watching this Wilkinson Star product video on the CEA Matrix 2200 AC/DC. If you'd like any more information regarding CEA products, please contact me and I'll be happy to assist.